Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Xcode and creating a Safari web extension target inside a Mac OS app host. This gives you signing and distribution. Once done, configure the extension's bundle ID and select your Apple developer team so you can run on real devices and package later. Make sure to enable app groups now if you plan to share storage or credentials between the app and extension, because changing it later complicates provisioning profiles and code signing. Next, implement the core functionality. Update manifest. JSON to request only needed permissions and declare content scripts and host matches, because least privilege prevents rejections. Write your content scripts to manipulate pages, implement a background script or service worker for long-lived tasks, and use structured message passing to the app host when persistent storage or UI is required. Once implemented, run the extension from Xcode or enable it in Safari's Develop menu. Finally, archive the host app in Xcode and export using your distribution profile so the extension is signed correctly. This packaging step ties the extension to your App Store record. Upload the build to App Store Connect, complete the product page including privacy declarations and screenshots, and submit for review. If review fails, reproduce the rejection locally, inspect console logs and crash reports, minimize requested permissions, and adjust Safari-specific APIs. These targeted fixes resolve most review and runtime problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.